If you are like me, it means that you love to travel. I try to do it as much as I can. I always carry my camera and pack some gear like lenses, sometimes a light and a tripod. But let's be honest, even though tripods are necessary and very useful, they're normally bulky, heavy, and somehow always too big for your bag. But what if I tell you that this little guy could completely change the way you travel with the camera? K&F Concept, which is the company that I use for a long time, sent me this tripod. I was planning to go to Japan, so I was excited to use this tripod around Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka. Amazing trip. They did their best with the delivery, but the tripod arrived the day I was flying. I was at the airport already. Anyway, I just came back from Japan last week and I saw the tripod on my desk, small, compact, lightweight, but strong, carbon fiber, basically everything you need on a tripod. So for the past week, I've been using it a lot and I must tell you about it. This is the K&F O255C4 carbon fiber tripod, and after using it for photography, video and hikes, I think it might be one of the best compact tripods for creators. The first thing you'll notice is the size. This thing folds down incredibly small. Seriously, it disappears inside a backpack. And because it's made from carbon fiber, it's surprisingly lightweight, which means you're not carrying around what feels like a gym membership every time you go shooting. Travel photographers, vloggers, hikers, your back will thank you. Now let's talk setup. Nobody wants to spend 5 minutes fighting with a tripod while the sunset disappears. The twist locks are smooth and easy to use. You can go from packed away to ready to shoot in just a few seconds. And when you're trying to capture the perfect moment, those few seconds actually matter. Of course, being compact is great, but only if it doesn't shake like a shopping cart with a broken wheel. The good news is that this tripod feels surprisingly good. I tested it with mirrorless cameras and heavier lenses and it remained stable. The carbon fiber construction helps reduce weight without sacrificing rigidity. Now, is it as stable as a giant studio tripod? No. But that's not the point. This tripod is designed for people who actually want to bring their tripod with them. And if you want to have extreme stabilization, you have a hidden hook here so that you can put a sandbag. So you do have a solution. You also get a ball head that's smooth and easy to adjust. And also, this was a nice surprise, in addition to the quick release plate that comes with the tripod, it comes also with another quick release plate to put your smartphone in the tripod if you want to. And also this one has a cold shoe mount in case you want to add mic or a light. We should appreciate these kind of things and details. This foam quick release plate works as a regular quick release as well. So if you have two cameras, there you go, you have plates for both now. Switching between landscape and portrait orientation is quick, which is cool if you want to make photos or videos for Reels or shorts for YouTube. Another feature is that the center column gives you extra height when needed, and the overall build quality feels much more premium than you expect at this size. Oh, and I almost forget, this tripod has something amazing for videographers and why not, also for landscape photographers. Here you have a hidden monopod. Just unscrew and there you go. Here you can put your camera. Unscrew the ball head and screw it here. Now you have a professional monopod. By the way, if you want a tutorial about monopods, let me know in the comments below because I use it a lot and I don't see many videographers using monopods nowadays. But back in the day when I started, that was the thing. But let's go back with the tripod. Also, if you want to be creative, you can actually use this monopod as a walking stick if you are in a nice demanding hike. K&F has really improved their gear over the years and this tripod definitely shows it. I would suggest you to check out their website because they have many things for photography and videography. I will leave you the link in the description below. Actually, I did a review on a pack of ND filters I use from them, and as all their gear, very high quality and very good prices. I will leave you the link for that review somewhere here on the top and also in the description below. So who's this tripod for? Travel photographers, content creators, landscape shooters, and basically anyone tired of carrying a massive tripod everywhere. What I like most is that it strikes a really nice balance. It's compact, lightweight, stable, travel friendly. It's small enough that you'll actually bring it with you, and stable enough that you'll actually use it. And honestly, that's the secret to good gear. The best gear isn't the gear sitting at home. It's the year that's with you when the shot happens. If you want to know more about this tripod or maybe get it, I will leave you also the link below in the description where you can check it out and find the best price at this moment. But now, I want to know your opinion. What's the most important thing that you look for in a travel tripod? Let me know in the comments. Until next week.